Hello, happy Sunday. Corinne here with the Systems Mom. And today I thought it might be fun to do my Sunday morning routine with you guys, but time it because here's probably my biggest issue, and maybe this might be the same for you, is that I will build something up in my head and have it feel like it takes longer than it really does. So, for example, I will be like, ugh, I don't feel like planning the meals this week. It takes forever. But if I actually were to time myself and see how long it took me, it only took me like 5 minutes. So I'm going to do my Sunday routine today. I'm going to time myself to see how long it takes me to do it. That way, next time I build it up in my head of, oh, I don't feel like doing this, it takes forever, then I can actually say to myself, no, it actually only takes you X amount of minutes. And then you know me, I like to have rewards. So I do have a little reward for myself planned once I get all of this, my Sunday routine done, which is to head to Bath and Body Works because there's some like member deals going on and I need to get some new hand soap. I get free hand soap for buying candles as their membership, and I use my candles every day to incentivize myself to get my routines done. So we're going to start the timer. Stopwatch. Okay. So I'm going to do things in a specific order that I think are going to be like to get it done the fastest. However, I'm not going to count any times where I'm sitting around and waiting. So for example, like part of my Sunday routine is that I get laundry done so that I can then plan my outfits for the week. So I'm not going to count the time that I'm waiting for the laundry to be done. I'm only counting the time that it takes me to like do actual things. All right. So here we go. Starting now. Okay, so laundry's going. While I'm waiting for it to go, I'm gonna tidy up in here really quick because I can't just leave this room messy. But there's a couple of things over here on the counter, so I'm just gonna get the counter wiped off. And I don't know what this goes to, but yeah. Okay, we are almost 8 minutes in. This is cleaned off. I now need to start planning meals for the week so I can then do the grocery shop. So that's what I'm on to next. Okay, so I'm on the meal planning. This light's horrible. We're on meal planning for the week, and this week's a little bit different because we have family coming in town on Friday. So it will be really fast still. I'm just going to plan it really fast. And then now that I know what I'm eating, then I will then just go do my grocery order. What will be different though is like because we have people coming in town, I'm not really picking up, like I'm not going through my pantry first to find things we can make. I'm just sort of going straight at it and planning food so that it's stuff that people like. But okay, so I got all of them planned. So now I just got to go and do my meal plan, like shopping list for the week. And we're at 17 minutes. Okay, so I'm on to ordering the groceries. And one thing if I do a little bit differently is that when I order groceries, I use an app called AnyList. And instead of having my list be in order of the store, like aisles, I have it in order of the way my house is set up. So if you want to check out that video, I'll link it here below, okay, or below, or I'll link it someplace, okay? So if you can see, I'm going through my basics list. My basic list, it has everything that we need, like milk, almond milk, eggs, all those things. And I have them in order of the way my fridge is set up. So like the very first section of the list is top fridge. And then I kind of go through and I like to make my stuff look like a supermarket. So I'll line everything up and see what do I need of stuff. This doesn't go there. More egg whites. They're gonna need more chocolate milk. This is my leftover shelf, and we have it here on purpose so that people see it right away, and we got to eat through all these leftovers. I give my kids yogurts for dessert, so each of them have their own little yogurt tray to make sure that they don't eat the wrong kid's yogurt. That will be like a huge travesty if someone were to eat the wrong yogurt. This, again, is just a lot of stuff you need to heat up. And what I'll do for this is, again, if you check out one of my videos where I turn Sunday's leftovers into a smorgasbord, and my kids think it's like this awesome, cool thing, but it's literally just leftovers that I make look fancy. So again, just a lot of things. So let me go finish through. So my leftover is list, plain cream cheese. Looks like that's over here. So we have cream cheese, chive cream cheese. This. Okay, do we need any more yogurts? No, we look good. No one seems to be eating them lately. Okay, so now we're in this drawer. So lunch meat, we're good. Cheese sticks, good. I just took a bunch of cheese out, so that's good. Now we're on to fruit. So blueberries, grapes, and strawberries. Red onions are in that other drawer. We will need salads and lettuce, cucumber. We will need tomatoes. We will need of just our usual list. And then I'll pull in what we're having for dinner onto my list, and then that's how it all come together. So now I'm on the door. So good. I have a spare ketchup in the pantry, and then I'll move on to the pantry and I'll get the rest of the things on this list. And then the beauty is when it's time to order, you just click this little button. So you click those three little dots, and then you hit order pickup. And then it takes you right into order your groceries online with Walmart, Instacart, or Kroger. They have like Ralph's, H-E-B. All of the apps are on here. See, they have like a ton of apps you can choose from, or grocery stores. It's only showing me these three based off of my zip code. So it knows off my zip code, these are the only options in this area. So we typically use Walmart, and then I'll swing by the grocery store to get produce for the salads and stuff. But I'll do Walmart pickup, and then the Walmart pickup, I'll get all the other stuff. And then, like I said, just a quick scoot by the grocery store for like 2 or 3 things, because it's just produce. It's just salad. So I'm going to do this, and I am currently at 20 minutes. I was at 17. I had to restart my timers. This one says 10. So we're at 27 minutes. My laundry is still going. I'm going to go check on that next here in a minute. And then I'll move on to the next thing. Okay, so just like I did for the fridge, I'm now going through the pantry, and same thing. I have my whole list in my app organized by the way the pantry is. So I do this section first, and then I go down, then I do the middle, and then I do this side, and then down. And then same thing, like I'm just going through my app exactly the same way it's set up, and that way I don't miss anything. After this, I head over to the laundry room, and I make sure we have one of everything so that we don't have to order anything, like go to the store on the fly. That's the thing I hate doing. And then that's it. I'll be done. I swap my laundry. What does my stopwatch say? So 27 plus 14. I keep pausing it because I'm working. So I'm at like 45 minutes. Okay, I have 30 minutes left on this sucker. I have ordered my groceries, so those are all ready to go. And now I'm basically just waiting for this to finish. And I'm probably just going to go sit outside, maybe go find something else I can do for a project, like refill the toilet paper in the house, refill the soap. I usually let my 6-year-old do that sort of stuff because it's like an easy task he can do. But I may do it today just so that it can be done. I don't have changing sheets or anything this week. I do that next week. So that's pretty much it. We're done. Like, woohoo! High five. And it only took about an hour to get everything done. If I count this once it comes out to put my clothes away, because it's super fast.